Okay, I am going to walk you through some calculations for average atomic mass. So I'm going to go through the sheet that I gave you in class step by step for anyone who may have been absent so that you understand how to complete this. Okay, so I'm going to have up this and I'm going to pull up the calculator because these are the two things that we're going to need. So we're going to look here at lithium. So the first step, it says, is to change the percent to a decimal. To do that, I have to take the percent and divide it by 100. So 7.5 divided by 100 and 92.5 divided by 100. That's how I change it to a percent. So if you think you might move the decimal incorrectly, it's safer to use the calculator. So I'm going to write down what I get, and then I'm going to do the second one, 92.5 divided by 100, 0.925. Okay, so now I'm going to take and multiply by the correct atomic mass. I got to check the table. 6.02 was matched up with the 7.5. So 0.075 and 0.925. Okay, so I got to multiply those out. So 0.075 times 6.02 is this 0.4515, and then 0.925 times 7.02 equals 6.4935. Okay, now what I need to do with these ones is, next step, add them. So I need to take 0.4515 and 6.4935 and add them up. So let's do that. 0.4515 plus 6.4935 equals 6.945. And now it says check significant figures. So I need to go back to all these numbers. 3, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so my answer can only have two significant figures, so 6 and 9. This is a 4, so I do not round up, I keep it. So 6.9 U. Now it says check the periodic table. What is the atomic mass of lithium? So here's my reference table. I'm going to go to the periodic table. Here is lithium. Okay, can you see that? 6.9. There we go. I don't know why. There we go. 6.941. There we go. 6.941. Okay, so 6.941 U. So notice I have units. Are your answers close? Yep, absolutely. So I am correct. What you will do on this side is follow the exact same pattern. Remember, to change a percent to a decimal, you divide by 100. Then you take those decimals, multiply them by the correct atomic mass right here. Once you get all of those, notice I keep putting the units here for you. You would add those answers up, check significant figures to get your final answer, and then check the periodic table to see if your answers were close. There may be some differences, but they should not be wildly different. Okay? All right, I hope that helps.